If you looked at the stock market, you probably noticed the cybersecurity sector is bleeding. Cybersecurity companies just saw their stock plunge anywhere from 8 to 24% in a single day. Why? Because one company, Anthropic, they just announced a tool that might entirely rewrite the cybersecurity industry. It's called Claude Code Security. Let's break down what it is, why investors are panicking, and what this means to the future of coding. First, a quick refresher. If you don't know Anthropic, they are the AI research company behind the Claude model and OpenAI's biggest rival. They recently hit a massive 380 billion valuation, and they just rolled out their ultra advanced Claude Opus 4.6 model. But instead of just making chatbots, they are now going straight after enterprise security. Claude Code Security. This isn't just a scanner. It's an autonomous AI security researcher that lives directly inside a company's code base. For years, developers have relied on traditional security tools known as SAST or DAST scanners, but those legacy tools are essentially just doing glorified pattern matching. They look for known bad codes and they are notorious for overwhelming developers with thousands of false alarms. Claude Code Security replaces that completely. It uses deep semantic reasoning to actually understand the business logic of the code. It traces how data moves across hundreds of files, but here is the real kicker. It has a self arguing adversarial verification system. That means it double checks its own work to guarantee zero false positive. And when it finds a real bug, it doesn't just flags it. It writes the exact code patch needed to fix it, matching the team's exact coding style and just waits for human to click approve. In internal testing, Claude autonomously found over 500 previously unknown high severity vulnerabilities in major open sourced projects, bugs human missed for decades. When investors realized that an AI could do the job of expensive legacy enterprise security suite faster and cheaper, they hit the sell button. Number of cybersecurity companies took massive hits. Wall Street is betting that enterprise will stop paying millions of traditional software when Claude can do it automatically. So, how do you get it? Right now, Claude Code Security is rolling out through Anthropic's API and dedicated enterprise dashboard. Is it free? For standard home developers and open source hobbyists, Anthropic is offering a highly restricted free tier to scan small repositories. But the real power is the enterprise tier, which operates on a usage based pricing model depending on the size of code base being monitored. But it's not perfect. There are massive security challenges here. For an enterprise to use this, they have to grant an external AI model deep, unrestricted access to their most sensitive proprietary source code. That is a massive data privacy hurdle. And for home users, the AI is incredibly resource heavy, meaning you can't run it locally on your own machine, you have to trust the cloud. If Anthropic's server ever get breached, the blueprint of every customer's software vulnerability could be exposed. AI is no longer just writing our codes, it's actively defending it and destroying traditional business models in the process. Would you trust an AI to autonomously secure your applications? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive into bleeding edge of tech. See you in the next one. Stay aware, stay secure.